Imagine you're standing in line at a gaming store, excited to purchase a new game. You reach into your wallet, only to find that your physical gift card is missing. Panic ensues. But what if there was a digital solution? A way to purchase and use gift cards without ever having to worry about losing them? Today, we're going to delve into the world of digital gift cards and explore a popular option, Paysafe. Many people wonder if Paysafe is a gift card. In this video, we'll break down what Paysafe is, how it works, and whether it can be considered a traditional gift card. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a global payment service provider that offers a range of digital payment solutions. While it's not a traditional gift card in the sense of being issued by a specific retailer, it functions similarly in many ways. Paysafe allows you to load funds onto a digital wallet and use those funds to make purchases at various online and offline merchants. How does Paysafe work? Create an account. To get started with Paysafe, you'll need to create an account on their website or through their mobile app. Fund your account. You can add funds to your Paysafe account using various methods, including credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and even cash at select locations. Use Paysafe. Once your account is funded, you can use your Paysafe balance to make payments at online merchants that accept Paysafe as a payment method. You can also use Paysafe to purchase gift cards from various retailers. Is Paysafe a gift card? While Paysafe doesn't function exactly like a traditional gift card issued by a specific retailer, it can be considered a digital gift card in many ways. Here's a breakdown. Flexibility. Unlike traditional gift cards that are tied to a specific retailer, Paysafe offers greater flexibility, allowing you to use it at a wide range of merchants. Convenience. Paysafe eliminates the need to carry around physical gift cards, making it more convenient for online shopping and on-the-go purchases. Security. Paysafe provides a secure way to store and use your funds, with features like two-factor authentication to protect your account. Advantages of using Paysafe. Wide acceptance. Paysafe is accepted by thousands of online merchants, making it a versatile payment option. Gift card purchases. You can use Paysafe to purchase gift cards from various retailers, giving you even more flexibility in your spending. Security. Paysafe employs advanced security measures to protect your funds and personal information. Convenience. The digital nature of Paysafe eliminates the need to carry around physical gift cards. Disadvantages of using Paysafe. Fees. Some Paysafe transactions may involve fees, so it's important to check the terms and conditions before using the service. Limited physical use. While Paysafe can be used at some physical stores, its primary focus is on online transactions. So, is Paysafe a gift card? While it doesn't fit the traditional definition of a gift card, it certainly offers similar benefits, such as convenience, flexibility, and security. Paysafe is a valuable digital payment solution that can simplify your online shopping and gift-giving experiences. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to make online payments and purchase gift cards, Paysafe is definitely worth considering. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your shopping life. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Paysafe or other digital payment methods, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.